Hey, we're here at the clinic.
We're back with the plants in the clinic.
Today we're going to talk about viruses.
Yeah, a bit about viral stuff and nutrition and the immune system.
Yeah.
Because why? Why is that important?
I think it is important so that you get informed about what you can do and what you can't do.
Yeah, pretty much. We've had a few patients cancel in the clinic because of colds and flus. Perth, winter. It's cold, freezing this morning, and it's it's an important topic. It's a hot topic at the moment, but there's some simple things that you can do to help your immune system. So we're going to do this in two parts, okay? So today he's just going to talk a little bit about the immune system and about how you stop the immune system from working in terms of your nutrition and your lifestyle stuff.
Should everyone get flu or not? Some people say, oh, it's healthy because then your system is functioning, or
What, to get the flu?
Yeah.
No, I mean, you can be exposed to the virus. Some people fight it off and some people get it. Like in an office, right?
Yeah.
Why do some people get sick and other people don't get sick? And it's all about how well your immune system is functioning as to whether you fight it off or whether you succumb to it. And really all viruses are like that. That's just how they work. So let's talk a little bit about how you promote them in the body in terms of foods, because this is important. If you want to learn how to get rid of them or deal with them, you've got to understand what cripples your immune system and makes you worse and makes you susceptible. And
so you can actually promote them somehow.
Yeah, you can with the food choices that you make. If you want to, you promote them by stopping your immune system from working so well. That's how you promote them.
Okay, yeah.
And you promote them by not getting your lymphatic system to work terribly well. That's another way that you do it. So with the diet, there's a couple of things that are really, really good to help grow viruses and promote viral growth. And these things mainly are animal proteins, right? The worst offenders really is milk and milk products. But viruses are really just a sequence of amino acids, which is the building blocks of proteins. So they like protein because that's what makes them grow and that's what makes them thrive. So if you want to cripple your immune system and stop it from working so well, you load up on lots of meat products, lots of dairy, eggs, cheese, butter, milk, cream, that sort of thing. This stops your white blood cells from being able to function so well. Your white blood cells are your immune system.
So is that just animal protein?
Animal protein much more so than plant protein, yes. All protein will do it to a certain extent, but animal protein is a lot stronger in terms of allowing viruses to grow and stopping your immune system.
Okay,
yes.
okay. That's really good to know.
So that's the first thing that I talk to people about, and people don't necessarily want to hear that I believe it, right? So I always say, okay, well, if you don't buy that, like eggs are the things that people really get annoyed about. I like eggs and they're good for you, aren't they? Good sources of protein and blah, blah. Yes, they are. But the next time you have a cold or a flu, have a big plate of eggs and see what happens to your phlegm in your nose and your sore throat and all your symptoms. And be a bit analytical about that. Try it out. If you don't believe me, that's fine. Go and try it for yourself. I'm all for people doing that.
Okay, thank you.
So the other thing that's important, and for office workers and people that are a bit sedentary or do a lot of computer stuff, is understanding your lymphatic system. And your lymphatic system is a system in your body that circulates a thing called lymph, and lymph is your immune system. Now, your lymphatic system doesn't work off your heart, right? That's what pumps your blood, and that's what moves your blood through your body. But the lymphatic system works off a thing called the skeletal muscle pump. And the skeletal muscle pump is basically just your muscles contracting when you're getting up and moving to move the lymph throughout your body. It doesn't move when you're sitting there sedentary. And this is why office workers and students and people that spend a lot of time, hours studying at a desk, getting stressed, often get sick because their immune system is not working. It's not moving at all. So just the act of getting up and moving.
Yes, not only office people, ordinary people. Some people don't exercise at all, including me.
Yeah, including me and me. We could all do more.
Yeah, we could move.
We could. But understanding this concept about getting out there and getting your body moving is important, because this is what moves your skeletal muscle pump, and this is what moves your immune system.
Very important to know.
And then you're waking your immune system up. That's what it comes down to. So, quick summary, this is about cutting down animal proteins You know, the dairy stuff and the eggs, that's all important. The protein-rich animal foods, these are things that stop your immune system from working so well. And move your body, get some exercise going.
Yep,
that's
get
important.
It going.
And tomorrow, we're going to have a special surprise. We're going to the markets and we're going to do another little video on how you use food to help your immune system.
What types of foods.
What types of foods and what to eat.
And all sorts of that.
And it's a special day tomorrow.
Let's get moving.
We'll let you know about that tomorrow. So get up, do some exercise, and cut back on the dairy and the meat products, and your body will thank you for it.
I can see you are moving. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you. Catch up with you soon. Bye.
Bye.